Anthropic just launched Claude FABLE 5 yesterday, and it will mention Claude FABLE 5 is the highest scoring model on Frontier benchmark, most capable widely released model. And good thing is I am using it for free. Not only Claude FABLE 5, I am using Claude Opus and Claude Sonnet powered by Anthropic for free of cost. In today's video, I'll show you how you can access this model for free. Before that, I'll show you some information about Claude FABLE 5. In Anthropic official website, it will evaluate Claude FABLE 5 and Claude Mythos 5, and it will compare the capability of FABLE 5 and Mythos 5 to the other leading model, where it will beat every model that will be released previously on each and every index. If you want to explore more, I'll provide the link is in description. From there, explore it. Without wasting time, I'll show you how you can use it for free. Go to your favorite browser and search for the GitLab. This is the official website of the GitLab. Start Git free trial. Use any one of these methods to create your account. I'm going with the Google. Provide your verification code that will be sent through your Gmail. Verify email address. After that, it will redirect to the account setup screen. Select your role, select who using this, you or your team. Give the reason why you want to use this. Select your location, provide your company name, and continue to GitLab. After that, you are redirected to the official GitLab homepage. Go to the settings section here and select the general. After that, GitLab chat is automatically open. If not, then click this chat button, which is located on the right top corner. From here, you can choose any model that you want to use, where all of the Claude model will be available here, including Claude FABLE 5, Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Opus 4.7. All of them are provided by Anthropic. And if you want to use some other model will be available, like Claude Sonnet and chatgpt model, and the Gemini model will be also available here. And this is for limited time. It will provide limited token. If your token is expired or finished, then you need to pay it to use. I'll select Claude FABLE 5 and start to interact. Hi, which model is it? Claude FABLE 5 powered by Anthropic. By this way, you can easily use Claude FABLE 5 for free, provided by GitLab for the limited time. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you feel this content helpful, consider subscribing the channel. Okay, bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.